Which hat heat press machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a little deeper to get the right answer. Today, we're breaking down the top options to help you make the best choice. Product number 1, Caligy Mini Heat Press. First up is the Caligy Mini Heat Press. Priced at just $24.98, this little machine caught my eye with its cute design and impressive ratings of 4.7 stars from over 5,300 reviews. If you're looking for a compact option that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The Caligy Mini is super user-friendly, featuring a one-button design that makes adjusting the temperature a breeze. You can choose from 3 temperature levels, ranging from 284 degrees F for low heat to 356 degrees F for high heat, perfect for any project. Plus, it heats up quickly, really quickly, reaching 284 degrees F in around 3 minutes. This means less waiting around and more time pressing. One thing to note though, some users mention that the heating plate size is quite small at just 2.87 x 4.43 inches. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly working with smaller items like caps or patches, this compact size could actually be a benefit, making it easier to maneuver. This is perfect for you if you need a portable and budget-friendly option for small crafting projects. Skip this one if you're looking to tackle larger hats or multiple items at once. For under $25, it's a solid value. Now, if that small heating plate size bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a larger surface area. Product number 2, HTVRONT Hat Press Machine White. Next is the HTVRONT Hat Press Machine in white, retailing for $129.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 392 reviews, this one is all about efficiency and ease of use. If you want to level up your hat pressing game, this is a strong contender. What sets this apart? For starters, the cast aluminum heating plate heats up quickly and evenly, which means you're less likely to have hot spots that can scorch your hats. It fits 99% of cap shapes thanks to its 2 interchangeable platens, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, the digital display keeps you informed of the real-time temperature and countdown, ensuring perfect results every time. With a safety timer that alerts you when your pressing is done, you won't have to worry about overcooking your designs. However, a few users have pointed out that it can take a little practice to get the pressure just right. Now, for some, this may be a hassle, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, the quality of the pressed hats is fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're serious about custom hat designs and need reliability. Skip this if you're just doing one-off projects or don't want to invest in quality. For $129.99, you're getting a lot of features that professional users will appreciate. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for more versatility in their projects. Product number 3, HTVRONT Hat Press Machine Blue. Now let's talk about the HTVRONT Hat Press Machine in blue, also priced at $129.99. This model shares a lot with the previous one but offers a fresh color and a few tweaks. With the same 4.5-star rating, it continues to impress in the market. If you want something that looks good while performing well, this is for you. Just like its white counterpart, this blue version heats up quickly and evenly, thanks to the one-piece aluminum heating plate. The real-time digital screen means you can monitor the pressing process closely, which is crucial when you're working on detailed designs. The dual platens still allow you to fit a wide variety of cap shapes, so you're not limited in your creativity. Some users mention the timer can be a bit sensitive, occasionally shutting off too soon. However, here's the thing. This is usually a quick fix by just resetting it, and many found it didn't affect their overall satisfaction with the product. This machine is perfect for you if you want a reliable, stylish option for hat pressing. Skip this if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or simpler in functionality. At $129.99, you're paying for quality and reliability. Now, if you're after even more functionality, wait until you hear about the next product on our list. Product number 4, VEVOR 4-in-1 Heat Press Machine. Next up is the VEVO R4-in-1 heat press machine, priced at $129.90. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 565 reviews, this one stands out for its versatility. If you're looking to press various styles of hats, this could be your go-to. What makes this machine unique? The larger 8.5 x 4 inches heating plate is perfect for ensuring full coverage, so no part of your design is left untouched. Plus, the smart digital control displays both Fahrenheit and Celsius, making it easy to switch between settings based on your project needs. However, a few users pointed out that the machine is a bit bulky and takes up more space than expected. But honestly, if you're serious about making a variety of hats, that larger surface area can be a game changer. This is perfect for you if you want versatility in your hat projects and are okay with a larger machine. Skip this if you have limited workspace or are just starting out. With all these features, it's a solid investment for $129.90. Now, if you want something even more compact for specific projects, the next product might just be the one for you. Product number 5, Dell Kleine Hat Heat Press Machine. Last but not least, we have the Dell Kleine Hat Heat Press Machine, priced at $119.99. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from 776 reviews, this machine is designed for high performance. If you need precise control without all the bulk, this could be your best bet. This means it heats up rapidly, and you can control the temperature from 32 degrees F to 455 degrees F, which is impressive. The dual interchangeable platens allow for all hat styles, which is perfect for custom projects. Plus, the hands-free cap stretcher is a game changer, allowing you to align your hats without extra hassle. Now, some users found the digital gauge a bit complicated at first. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the precision it offers can really up your hat game. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, compact machine that offers flexibility. Skip it if you prefer a simpler design with less adjustment needed. For $119.99, you're getting a well-made product that meets professional needs. So there you have it. Each of these machines brings something unique to the table, whether it's portability, versatility, or precision, making it easier for you to find the right fit for your hat pressing needs. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Caligy Mini for budget-friendly needs, the HTVRONT machines for reliable performance in 2 stylish options, the versatile VEVO R4-in-1 for those who want variety, and the Dell Kleine for precision. Each has its strengths, so think about what features matter most to you before making a choice. Happy pressing!